So hey everyone, welcome back to another interesting tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can adjust the still image duration in Adobe Premiere Pro timeline. So this is a very quick tutorial. So all you have to do is to open the Premiere Pro software in your PC. When you open the Premiere Pro software and open a basic project that you are using for your video editing, you have to click on the edit button at the top left window. You can see it's just right there. Simply click on this option and you'll see an option of preferences at the most below of the list. Then you have to click on this and you'll find an option of timeline just right there at the second last option. You have to simply click on this option and a timeline window will open right in front of you, where all you have to do is to simply go to this option where it is written still image duration. So you have to simply adjust this duration as per your convenience. Currently it is set on 7 seconds. You can simply adjust the seconds by writing over there, or you can simply set it to the frames as well, like you have to maintain the image for 30 frames or 60 frames, etc. So that's a very interesting and quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.